welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ultimate Stars, and today's video I am cooking dinner. I'm making some egg rolls, whatever it is. Egg roll, we call it egg roll here, but in the Philippines we call it lumpia Shanghai. This is like it's like a ground turkey, ground turkey. Yeah, I'm cooking ground turkey and some rice going, and have some chicken here to cook. So I don't know what's ready to the house. It's like, it's like all the oil is sparkling. You need to be careful, yeah. So yeah, I also was harvesting plants. Ayan yung fresh natin at mint at saka oregano, and some cilantro right here. I have some blueberry, little blueberry here. I think I got like 6 of them, but I was munching it while I'm cooking. Ayan. So ayan, it's time to get it out. So yeah, this is it. So let me put you over here. But maybe my tripod is over here. Yep, my tripod is here. So I have something where I can put my phone. Kasi masusunog na pala. So just let it. I'm in hurry right now. It's like sunog na siya. This is really quick. Naluto, ayan siya. Tadaan! Oopsie, now I will add more. Siguro ganyan lang kadami. Yan yung ilulutuin. Yan. So, basta kasi natin kasi ako. So, we gonna taste it. Kung bumili pala ako ng tuyumansi. So, gamitan natin na siyang tuyumansi. Nawala. So, yeah, I have this tuyumansi. So, tikman natin gaano kasarap yung ating iluluto ngayon, no? So, we have also this sweet and sour. Ayan, meron tayong sweet and sour. We have 2 different kind of sauce. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So, buksan natin itong isa. Mayroong bukas ba? So, ayan. Tikman natin yung alin yung masarap na sauce. Yung sauce. Ayan. Ayan yung sauce natin na ginagamit, no? Tikman natin. Tapos, meron tayong tuyumansi. Ayan. This is a Filipino sauce that I like to eat. Okay lang. Usually, I put some chili on it, but not this time. I'm still cooking, so parang madilim. Parang madilim dyan. Turn natin yung ilaw. Mix natin to para masolo. So, ayan. So, titikman natin. First. Yum na. is like an appetite. Tikpan natin yung soy sauce natin. Ng tuyo mansi. Ang sarap oh. Lagyan mo lang ng maybe 2 chili. Tapos cilantro konti. I will eat some mint. Sarap. Masarap. Tama na yung timpla ko. Unfortunately, I don't measure, so I cannot give you the right recipe. Sarap. So, dito lang muna yung ating vlog for today. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para update ka sa mga ginagawa kong video. Ayan. Malapit na rin maluto ito. Maluto tayo nito. Kumakain pala ako na ng boy bawang. Happy Sunday cooking! Yan, ito naman sa sausawan natin. Ito yung mansi. Bye-bye!